Hello everyone, welcome to University Study Guide YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the PhD admission notification from Jadavpur University for the academic year 2021 and 2022. So in this video we are going to discuss about all the 16 subjects notification that has come out for the PhD admission in multiple subjects, its important dates, eligibility and last date. We'll also discuss the application form in this video. So before that, please subscribe our YouTube channel so that you will get all the latest notifications about our future videos and admission process in different universities of the world. And also press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications directly into your notification. So if you like this video, please press the like button and do not forget to subscribe it. So let us see the notification what it's all about. So here we are in the official website of the Jadavpur University. So Jadavpur University, here you can see the Faculty of Interdisciplinary Studies, Law and Management, admission into the PhD program session 2021 and 2022. So you can check the applications are invited from the Indian nationals for the admission of the PhD program in the school of different topics, that is advanced studies in industrial and pollution control engineering, School of Water Resource Engineering, School of Natural Product Studies, School of Illumination Engineering, Science and Engineering Design. So like this you can check all the 16 subjects are there. Alright, so let us see what are the other notifications in this notice. So all applicants must have at least 2 years of MA, MSc or ME or any equivalent degree from any university or institute recognized by UGC. Alright, so applicants who have obtained MA, MSc or ME or equivalent degree of less than 2 years, the duration must have completed at least a total 5 years of the undergraduate and postgraduate study in a recognized university or institute. Alright, so let us see what are the other details. Candidates should have applied in a prescribed form available in this website. It will be available from 13 June. So now the application is live, we can check it. We'll see this in a short while in this video. So candidates have to pay application fee of 500 rupees per subject. So you need to pay this through online payment system. So here is the payment link through onlinesbi.com. You can check this link. So after payment, the scan copy of the downloaded form is to be submitted and from 16 June to 30th June. So 30th June will be the last date to this email ID. You can check this email ID. Alright. So proper the the application, the scan copy of the single PDF maximum of 10 MB of size. Okay, so let us see other details. Online applications, applicants have to be undergo the physical verifications process by the officials. So I have told you 30 June will be the last date of submission form, but before that, before one day you need to pay. So 29 June will be the last date for the payment. What are the documents you need to provide? Two recent passport size photographs, attested copy of all your mark sheets and certificates. Alright, so who has 2 years of MPhil or MSc degree? MPhil degree must from university other than Jadavpur University will require submit a certificate from the competent authorities stating that the selection to the MPhil courses has been made through a written test and that a full paper of research methodology of at least one semester duration was taught in the MPhil course. Otherwise, waiver from the WRET online test and the coursework shall not be granted. Alright, you need to have a proper letter for this. So candidates will selected through a written test or online test by viva voice presentation interview, online or offline. Okay, so the modalities of the selection will be notified later. by the university website. Candidates are required to follow this. So the candidates who have MPhil, that is 2 years of course, regular 2 years of course degree, were admitted into the MPhil program during a written test or have qualified NET, ACT or GATE shall be entitled to get a exemption from the written test. So any person, any applicants who have 2 years of regular course in MPhil or admitted to an MPhil program through a written test or have a qualified NET, SET or GATE will be exempted. The candidates who have 2 years of MPhil degree from a university other than the Jadavpur University must submit a certificate from the competent authority regarding the selection of MPhil course has been made through a written test, and that a full paper of research methodology and at least one semester during this course must start during this MPhil course. So you need to have a valid letter. Alright. So here are the top 16 areas you can check. So what are the details you can check? The vacancy, that is number of uh, PhD are available in different branches. You can check. You can pause the video and check the subjects. So you can check the different studies, school of studies. All right. So candidates applying for several seats reserved for OBC A or OBC B category, whenever applicable, wherever applicable, must produce an OBC certificate. All right. So these are some other rules and regulations. You can check. MPhil students of Jadavpur University who have successfully defended their Viva Voice examination and have a valid continuing of UGC fellowship or GATE, NET or JRF, RNGF, RGNF, MANF, and other government fellowship for the doctoral research may apply. So they may be considered under a continuing fellowship holder category provided they have not registered themselves in any other university or institute after the completing their MPhil degree at the Jadavpur University. That means you will get your uh, fellowship continue if you have not applied or get admission in any other university after your MPhil degree. Alright. So candidates are advised to note the following schedule. Date of the submission of application is already mentioned. The list of eligible candidates for the written test or online test, date and timing of the written test will be displayed on the Jadavpur University website in a due time. So all applicants must bring a statement of purpose, that is SOP, not more than 500 words at the time of the interview. The candidates are advised to consult the university website for PhD Regulations 2017 before applying the PhD program. So you need to visit the PhD Regulation 2017 for all the details. So this is all about the notifications of the Jadavpur University PhD notifications in the 16 different branches. There you can check and let us see what are the uh, application format. So in this link you will check the application format. Here is the application form. You can check it. I'll put this link into the description so that you can check it and download it. So it's a basic things you need to mention. Alright, you can go through the form. Here is the statement of purpose regarding a research objective within 100 words. Okay, so proposed research work. So you need to also fill up this. Your employer certificate, if it is required, you need to fill it. Alright, so this is all about the notifications. If you like this video, then please press the like button and please share this video with your groups, friends and relatives, so that they will get the notification about this Jadavpur University PhD admission. And please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and also visit our Telegram channel. The link is in the description, so that you will get, once you join it, you will get all the latest notifications regarding our future videos. And you can mail us and comment us if you want to share your comments and suggestions, and tell us in what subject and which university you want the updates in future. So thank you for watching this video.